Hello, hello. Pam Washington here from Build My Cleaning Business. So I'm here with a special invitation. I'd like to invite you to join me in a 7-day challenge that I'm starting tomorrow, Saturday, March 3rd. It's going to be on Facebook. So I'm basically going to be teaching some cleaning business owners who have wanted to get started using video to market their cleaning service businesses. We're going to have a little challenge. I'm gonna give you guys a bunch of training on what equipment you need, what you don't need, some topics, lighting, all of that stuff. And then each of you will just make a little video every day for the next 7 days. There's going to be a little competition. You're going to be able to win some prizes, and it's just going to be fun. But the main thing is that it's just an easy way to get started using video. I talk to so many cleaning business owners who say, oh, yeah, I know I should use video. I've been meaning to use video. I'm gonna, and so this is just, we're gonna have a date. This is when we're gonna do it. We're gonna get started. It's just in a private group, so it's not going to be public, but it's an opportunity for you to practice, learn what you need to about using video, get comfortable with it, so that at the end of the 7 days, you will be ready to hit the ground running on using video in a variety of ways to market your cleaning service business. So that could be on your website, blog posts, YouTube, Facebook. There are a number of different ways that I'll teach you where you can sort of expand your presence, your visibility. And this is great whether you have a residential cleaning business, if you offer commercial cleaning, if you do both. It's a really good, fun project that we'll do together this week, starting on Saturday. So all the details are below. Click on the link and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.